Chair and fellow speakers. Evaluating cats, hats, traps.
No, rats.
Rats, not hats.
Sorry, rats. There we go. That was funny, wasn't it? An 8-minute speech. But I didn't get
it was spot on 8 minutes.
It was spot on 8 minutes. So, well done to the speaker for keeping to the time. So, with the further you advance in the speeches, the more you have to include all the qualities that have built up previously. And that starts with a very clear salutation. So, well done to the speaker for catching the audience's attention. And an A3 level isn't about turning a speaker into a comedian, but finding your own way to use humour in order to get an effect in a speech, maybe to build up rapport, or when we've had particularly tense speeches, to maybe change the mood and get some relief. An audience needs to feel relaxed, so it's important to choose the right topic, and this was very appropriate for this particular audience.